was already starting, and I haven't even fucking done anything. Look at him, already taking shit apart. Don't fuck with my hole, cuz I will slap you.
Cut that fucking hole.
I did, bitch, when I installed this shit.
Girl, stop fighting.
Hey, you shut the fuck up. I haven't even introed yet. Robert, you want an intro?
No.
Come on, you do the intros.
I'm in the fucking mood to do intros.
Bitch, you have to do the intro.
No, I'm not gonna do no intro.
You always do the intros
I'm
though.
guy.
I know, but still, you always do the intros.
I've never done the intros.
What are you talking about? You want me to
Like
pull
2
up the
years ago,
videos right
dude.
now? You want me to pull up the videos right now?
Hold me.
Oh, now this is new Robert, huh? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Rick's over here playing with shit. He's taking apart my car again, like always. Every time I come over, this was taking something off my car.
I say we do it in the springtime.
But we got boxes. If you can't already tell, he's taking off.
You don't have to take these off. Man.
No, you don't have to take those off. Don't take them off because you're gonna lose them like you lost yours.
Fucking lost one.
We are doing the black taillights tonight. This morning. It's fucking 8 in the morning. This right here is one harness, not two. I mean, it's 2 harnesses, not one. Since my car is the base car, it didn't come with the LED upgraded lights or anything like that, so you need that from Gen 5 DIY. I knew I should have brought my power tools. Is it done? No. There's a little bit of scratches on them.
Yeah, mine actually has a chip. A small chip. But...
That thing's freaking out. Cameraception.
all bagged though. I need mine anything bagged.
It didn't? I have the LED reverse lights. Put them in. Keeping all the clips over there. Pop this shit out. I've done this so many times already. It's probably like my 3rd time doing this.
You probably do it with your eyes closed.
Yeah, it's not hard. Take this shit. Ugh.
You happy now? You have
Just put it on there and fucking twist it. No, just this one. Take that one out. Put this one in. Make sure it's going the right way.
Oh, look at it. The fucking first one I get in here. You cut the clean puff.
Now you're full of shit. Okay.
Where's the little soggy? Oh my god.
I don't like cream. What do you mean cream puff? This isn't a deep socket.
I don't know what to tell you anymore.
You want to fight?
I have to find you tools now, dude.
What's that?
Power tools. You don't get what?
Take it.
Sooner or later, with this kind of car,
I haven't yet.
sooner or later, pal.
Give me the pliers. Really, you gonna fucking rub over my head?
I need to zoom in.
Okay, so we're gonna put on the new black one. We got the resistors hooked up. Gen 5 DIY. Yep. Rick, you already put the LEDs in here?
Mm-hmm.
LED reverse light. Why is there so many fucking cameras around here?
I think you made that yourself.
You're about to do a porno.
You can make these. This is easy.
You gotta get a black couch in here.
Oh, you would. You would too.
I would. We'll find one on the side of the road so it has extra character.
Character.
Extra lines.
Shit. It's fucking hard. harness, dude. It's a bitch because it's so thick.
That's what she said.
Watched the office, huh?
Yeah.
Same.
You need to fucking show.
I watched it like twice over.
Same.
It really is funny though.
I know.
For people that hate on it, it really is
Do
funny.
you watch
Weak ass shows.
Parks and Rec?
No, my girl does though. I'm starting to watch Rick and Morty.
Oh, fuck that show.
That show's funny, dude. It's hilarious. You gotta watch it.
Okay. What's going on this side?
It's like boosted Family Guy.
Boosted Family Guy? I don't even like Family Guy. So why would I want to watch a funnier version of it?
You're not American.
I'm not American.
You don't know how to put it in now? Use some four. You gotta shove that
Hold
shit
on, I
in.
gotta pick up my pants. No, the harness is in the way. The new one?
So you want to put LEDs?
Bitch, I have to. My car isn't like yours.
I don't understand.
How do you know?
It looks the same. Well, how's it not like mine?
Hey, your shit already has resistors in it.
But they don't look that big.
Inside the fuse box.
Oh, I'm sorry. The wire's getting in the way. Scoot it to the right.
It's over here on this side.
You can't put it in the hole, pal? You got a problem.
Wow.
Is this the right side?
Funny if it was the wrong side.
I know, that'd be funny. Okay, I see it. There it is.
Oh my god, it's in.
It's in.
Mm.
That sweet sound of putting it in.
That actually looks better.
Look at that side.
It
Look at
looks,
this side.
it looks a lot better.
Like it's before and after. That side's ugly.
It's
and
like
red.
the ugly
This
cousin.
Yeah, this stuff.
Damn, this one is clean. It matches the.
Yeah.
The everything.
You don't look like a Mexican driving a Camaro anymore.
I'm not gonna tell you step by step because there's fucking 20,000 videos of this shit. So
What do you mean?
like install videos, lethals, shit. He
look
does step by step on all this shit. So I'm not gonna take my time. To do it.
Oh, he does installs for retards.
Yeah,
That's
install
what he
for
does.
retards. We're just fucking putting this shit on.
Like a Sesame Street of installs.
We're just putting shit on, getting shit done. We're not gonna fucking. Yeah. Put this shit back in. Oh! Look at that shit. Look at that.
LED compared to, I don't know what that is.
Halogen LED.
Looks so much better.
Look, it's like sleek. Sleek, and that's
It's like-
all fucking broken up. and
It looks
shit.
like neon.
Yeah, it looks neon. Like your lights. Let's turn on. Now this side. Turn yourself off over there.
You can see me in the reflection, but nobody's paying attention.
Oh, I just pointed it out, so obviously somebody will. It's funny on a brand new car and just fucking take it apart and not care.
You used to care, not anymore.
No, I've done this shit 20 times, baby. Give me those flyers. Did you put the LEDs in that one?
Yeah, let it stand there.
Sometimes you just sit there and, you know, twirl your thumbs and shit.
Twirl my thumbs.
Nothing. There it is. It's in there. I bet this bitch ain't even recording anymore. Oh, it is. It's in there. Okay, since I installed the taillights, it's Rick's turn to install the brake light.
You literally just pop right out.
I know, pop that bitch out. It's his little Save Mart apron. Oh, that's cute. Save Mart. That's his.
I hate that place.
Okay, now since we got the tail lights on.
You think you'll like it at Scudo?
Fuck no, he would hate it.
Yeah, probably.
We work way too much. This fool's lazy. He doesn't want to work.
Lazy, bro.
Look at Rick's Adam's fucking Adam. Sponsor this guy, please.
The more money, the better, pal. We'll buy more.
Sponsor this fucking guy. He's even hanging up empty bottles. Like, that's kind of creepy. But yeah, his car has the stocking. Like, that's the car's stocking.
I have 2 stockings. Yeah, that's the car's personal stocking.
Yeah, that's the car's personal stocking. I got bird shit over here on my car.
I burned shit on my hood the other day. Guess that's good luck.
This guy is. Well, that's because he says, why is mine on so tight? Because my car's not cheap. Mine's a 2017. Yours is a 2016. I'm just messing with you, Rick. Don't get mad. Don't punch me in the face like you have before. Ah, look at them, dude. They look hella good. Finally, I got these. Like, fucking, I already had the car for a year, and I
It's so cold.
barely get those. That's probably why it's taking so long. Go get your.
I did it when it was hot.
Yeah, go get your mom's blow dryer. Bro, that's what we took to take off my wrap. Is this going on YouTube? Slick's car, he's had these. I think this is the first thing he did on his car, the tail lights. And he got the third brake light when they released it when it was $40 and now it's 110. That's fucking bullshit, but whatever. People are gonna pay for it no matter what. Like I did, of course. I got these parts off of that Camaro parts guy. You can see it right here. That Camaro parts guy, shout out to him. He's cool. He has a lot of Camaro parts on his stuff, on his website. Obviously he has this and the tail lights. I ordered those. I ordered them together for $550, I believe. Might have been less. I'm not sure. $550. Yep. Third brake light and tail lights. Fucking gorgeous. Gorgeous. Get rid of those ugly red ones. And like I said, my car is not the RS package. It is the complete base, lowest car you can buy. So it doesn't come with the upgrading lighting. And that's why I had to add those 2 resistors on there. That harness is from gen5diy.com. I believe it's $80 for both of them. Completely worth it because you can add these on, or you can add the RS red tail lights from any RS car. And the LED, it supports the LED reverse lights. So you don't have to add another resistor on there like this guy does, because he doesn't have the resistor on his harness. But yeah. I'll be posting a build breakdown of this car pretty soon once I get time. Probably tomorrow. I'll probably film it tomorrow. But just a build breakdown of what's on the car, what's coming to the car, what's not coming to the car, and what I've done in the past year of owning the car. So yeah, let's see if this guy can take this off now.
Nice.
With a nice.
It's a heat gun.
The Slick Camaro Detailing in Selma, California. That's his number right there. 559-426-9381. Is that your real number?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just fucking spam his phone.
Yeah, don't call it or anything though.
No, pray call his ass.
Oh, that's messed up.
Nobody called, dude. Yeah, one person actually called yesterday, but I met him at a meeting. So it doesn't really count.
Oh. Yeah, he does detailing. He's ceramic coated. He paint corrected and ceramic coated my car. His is also paint corrected and ceramic coated. With Brendan Hall.
And Miss Brandon.
Brendan, Idaho Brendan. This thing is so easy to put on too. You just rip it off, rip the old one off, and stick this one on. It's literally held on by tape, no bolts, no screws, nothing. So yeah, he's heating it up, getting it reactivated. It'll loosen the tape and then he'll pry it off and we'll have to clean it. Okay, let's see if he can pull this off. Slow zoom, slow zoom, slow zoom, so low zoom.
Oh, it's so warm. It's like a fresh donut.
That's just he said. A fresh donut? I don't think I've ever had a fresh donut. What, that joke doesn't apply right now?
What kind of girls have you been messing with?
Oh, look at that. I already fucking peeled it off. Dang, that was easy.
That was easy.
That was
Let me tell
easy.
you what, that was easy.
Is that cool? It's good.
No, there's still shit all over it. I don't feel any of the car. I'll work at it. Shit.
Right there, that fucking whole top piece of the car.
Oh, just that, huh? Oh, just this section right here is the actual car. Everything else here, down here is
I'm
fucking
scrubbing this
glue.
part. I'm scrubbing this part right now.
All right, move. I'll fucking do the rest.
No, fuck you.
All right, you'd fucking do it then.
Hurry
we're
up.
installing this shit. Let's go.
Put it in slow.
No, I ain't putting it in.
All you have to do is put it in, that's it.
Slow.
Obviously, that's it.
These hoes ain't loyal.
You ain't oil.
Ooh, sock that food, Rick.
Hey, you know what we should get? The fucking Nova Stretch bra. That's next.
I don't need one of those. Too.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Wow. Alright, I'm gonna stop because it's about to die.
Put pressure.
What?
Pressure. What?
You can't wreck me like this. You gotta be all clean all the time.
Well, my detailer doesn't even detail my car anymore. I do it when I get here.
It's the fucking same every time you bring it back.
So, all right, guys. So we're done with the tail lights. They're black. They're fucking LED, whatever. Oh, they're already dirty. God damn. Got that third brake light in. Looks nice.
Very good.
Rick, you want to go press the light?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Press on the brakes. Hurry up. The fucking camera's dying.